PLR, that's private label rights. That means that you have the ability to essentially sell all of this stuff as your own or alter it and sell it as your own. All right, so if you look down below, there's a button that you can press that goes to the actual file link. Right now, I think it's like 3 gigabytes because there's literally so much PLR content in there that you can do whatever you want with. It's a license for you to do whatever you want with. Use it as lead magnets, use it as front-end offers, sell it. Totally up to you. The only thing that you can't do with it is you can't transfer the PLR rights, which means that you can't sell or give away the ability for other people to license that content in any way, shape, or form. So you can't sell other people the rights to sell it. You can't sell other people the rights to actually give it away. If you want to do that, then you need the master private label rights license. All right, but that's not what you get here. We do have that available if you do want that option, but here you're getting the private label rights, which means that you can do pretty much anything that you want. You can sell it as your own. You can alter it. The only thing that you can't do, like I said, is you can't sell or give away in any shape or form others the ability to sell it. So you can't basically transfer that PLR rights. You can't sell that to other people so that they can sell it to other people. If you want to do that, again, you need the master private label rights. So I do want you to know that this file will get bigger. It is pretty big because there's so much content inside there for you now. And it will get bigger over time because as I find new PLR content that seems like it's valuable, that it's actually sellable, that people can actually get value from it, I go ahead and buy it, and then I buy the master private label rights myself so that I can, 1, sell the content, and 2, I can sell the PLR license, and I can sell the master PLR license. I spend a lot of money doing that. And every time I get those new licenses and I get that new content, I actually add that to the membership site at no extra cost, which means as long as you're on your subscription, you also get access to that at no extra cost. So the only thing that you would actually need to do is just every so often re-download the file and you'll find all the new content inside there.